Hello everybody, welcome to Filmmaking today. Boy and Dulabic here. So, are you looking for a professional video mic that doesn't break the bank? Stay tuned. Alright guys, so before we get going, just the usual housekeeping. This item was sent to me by Deity, free of charge for this review. However, as always, they have no influence on this video. They're not reviewing it before it's being published, and all the opinions you're going to hear are my own. So, let's get started.
This is the V-Mic D3 Pro, a universal shotgun mic by Deity. It's a durable, rugged metal construction design and a supercardioid polar pattern with low noise circuitry design with noise level at 15 dBA. It has an internal rechargeable battery that can last up to 50 hours. On the side you will find a mic output and a USB-C port to charge the battery. On the top there is a button that controls the high-pass filter and allows you to switch between 75 and 150 Hz. On the back there's a gain level knob that makes it easy to dial in the exact amount and lets you add up to 20 dB. The mic mounts onto the included cold shoe. Now let's take a look at what comes in the box. You'll get a cable to connect the mic to the camera, a USB-C cable to charge the battery, the cold shoe mount, the windscreen, the mic itself, and all the paperwork. In order to turn the mic on, simply push the high-pass filter button for a few seconds and an orange light will indicate that the mic is on. Push the button again to switch between the high-pass filter options and push and hold again to turn it off. To adjust the gain levels, simply dial it in to the exact number. Alright guys, so I'm outside right now. I'm in a park, so there's a few things going on. There's a street behind me, so sometimes you hear cars. There's a forest right over here, so you get usual noises when it comes to that. And so right now I am using the mic about 4 or 5 feet away from me, around there, and I'm not using any filters, and it's set to recording level 4. So this is what it sounds like on my camera. I'm on recording level 0. So yeah, this is what that sounds like. I'm looking at the levels. It doesn't seem to be peaking, so that's good. And I'm going to be quiet just for a little bit so you can hear. Alright, and we'll be right back, and I'll turn on the filter and we'll hear what that sounds like. Alright, so here we are back, and right now I turned on the filter. It's on 75, and that's what this sounds like. So I'm just going to be quiet for a little bit so you can hear. Okay, so that's that, and now I'm going to turn it on to 150, so I'll be right back. Alright, so now we're back. It's on 150, and this is what that sounds like. So again, I'm just going to be quiet for a little bit so you can hear that. Okay, so that's that, and we'll be right back. Alright, so now we're back to no filter, and again about 4 or 5 feet away. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to increasingly move away from the camera and increase the recording, the volume on the back. Okay, so now I'm about 3 meters away. I'm still on recording level 4, so let's see if you can pick up anything. I see a little bit of movement, so let's see. Okay, so now I'm about 5 meters away, and let's see if you can hear any of this, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm about 10 meters away, so I'm not really sure if you can pick up anything. Recording level 4, so that's that. Okay, so again, I'm about 10 meters away. I got it cranked up to recording level 10, so let's see if you can pick up any of that. And yeah, that's what this sounds like. So I'm just going to be quiet so you can hear my surrounding. Okay, so that's that. And yeah, that's what all this sounds like. So alright, so now we're back to the studio, and this is what that sounds like. I am again about 4 feet away from the mic, and recording level is 0 on the mic, and no filters are on. So this is what that sounds like, and I'm just going to be quiet for a minute. Okay, so that's what that sounds like.
Alright, so now I'm wearing the usual lav mic, and you can probably tell the difference. Now, first of all, I like it. I think this is a pretty sweet mic. So the price is around $200 US, right? And I think the price is fine because what you are getting is a good quality mic. And what I really like about this thing is the fact that you can adjust the recording levels on the back, right? Because if you are, just imagine you are running and gunning, you're shooting an event, whatever it is, just to be able to quickly tweak the levels right then and there makes it really, really easy to dial in the just the right levels to, you know, so it doesn't peak. Well, I was really impressed with when I was, you know, 30 feet away or 32, whatever it was, feet away, and when I dialed it up to 10, man, you could hear me with no problems. I wasn't yelling or anything. I was talking at a normal level, same as now, right? I probably would dial it down to 7 or 8, right? Because that way you can get rid of some of the background noise. And again, keep in mind, all the audio you hear in this video has not been treated, right? So you can clean it up and post a bit more, get rid of some of the background noise and all that stuff. So yeah, when it comes to all that, this is a pretty sweet setup. And I think you're gonna have a good time with this mic. Who is this for, right? So like I said, for anyone running and gunning it, you're doing live events, you're doing interviews, you just, you know, you don't have time to put a lav mic on someone or anything like that. You just got to go boom, boom, boom. And in that situation, I think something like this will definitely be very useful, right? So there's that. Links to everything, as always, will be in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, tell your friends, all that good stuff, and stay tuned for more. Thanks.